nigga.
DJ Mellow.
Young. Let's do the damn thing, Ralph. When girls stop and stare, it's obvious it's the rock. Divisions impaired, it's obvious it's the watch. Part not for being presumptuous. It could be the ass shit cuts in my ear or some shit. Oh, stop the dumb shit. Hove is hot. It ain't just hoes and gun shit. I switch topics. Niggas can't see me with they optics. They optical illusions. Don't confuse dudes with him.
The commission.
It's obvious they ain't used to win. Used to being in that G deuce like him. G4 landing T barrel. Fitted sombrero to the side. Nigga, my stride is so ghetto. Project strut. Hop out the plane, hop in my truck just in time. Hop off my nuts. It's obvious you got hate and you thug. You want the crown, you gotta take it in blood. Nigga, what?
If you're trying to get a dub sack page, man, the hoes say D-Lo, you so crazy. Poppin' that shit don't faze, man. I need my chips and the dip is like gravy.
Now back to the lecture at hand. Perfection is expected and I'm feeling that demand. Los Angeles, broad day gunning. That ain't no earthquake, it's just Dre coming. If this shit ain't played, the party ain't bumping. If I don't show up, the hoes ain't fucking. Real talk. Cali sunshine, come visit. Just don't stop at stop signs with bullet holes in it. All-Star League, you riding benches. I handles my business. Fuck fake niggas. I sell game, $250,000 a track. Snooping a good doc, back with a brand new sack.
Grandma Ye increased the dawn strength. 2/4 within my arms length. With a calm breath, I say we got the flow. No little C's, the keys to the boat, tongue all down the throat. The commission routine, got my dick large like Bruce Springsteen. And you mean too, eyes greenish blue. Got the coochie sweater with the bubble food. Beautiful, that's how the night goes. Get out the tight clothes, get in some night clothes. I invite those girls that smoke loud. Keep it real with you, keep it real with I. You be tight like frog's ass. Have you screaming, Biggie, Biggie, give me one more
Call it back on that ass. Hit the switch and let the ass just drag. 2001, 2002 cash.
Cinema.
My nigga, what you holding? Step out with the Stacy's in the Snoop Dogg clothing. Rolling with the braids in my hair. Crimped out, way pimped out. Oh yeah. You got to pay the cost to be the boss. After all that dirt, I got to get my shit washed.